6 reasons bakit binabalik-balikan ng food club. Number 1, pwede sa bata, matanda o kahit sa mga picky eater. Number 2, friendly at accommodating ang staffs nila. Number 3, a lot of food options. Meron silang 100 plus dishes being served every day. Meron din silang kakanin, mga veggie salad, desserts, at marami pang iba. Number 4, they have a very cozy and aesthetic place. Maganda ang setup ng tables and chairs at hindi ka maubusan ng spot dahil napakarami nilang tables and chairs. You will feel comfortable finding a good spot while eating your favorite food. Number 5, very affordable ang buffet rate nila. For as low as 698 pesos, pwede ka na makakain sa buffet nila. They also offer PWD and senior discount. Sa kids naman, 3 feet below are free. Number 6, they have a great place to celebrate special occasions. Dahil sa napakasarap na food nila dito, plus they offer discounts on birthdays and graduation. Dito nga pala kami nagpunta sa Food Club Fisher Mall QC branch. At may branch din sila sa Ayala Mall, Pasay City. At soon to open na din sila sa Alabang. Kaya punta na sa nearest Food Club branch.